At a starting price of Rs 2500, the Enco W11 is the most affordable set of truly wireless Bluetooth earphones from Oppo. However, in general, earphones this affordable do have their own set of drawbacks. So, how does the Enco W11 fare? Well, let's find out. The pill-shaped charging case of the Enco W11 is heavily inspired by the Samsung Galaxy Buds. The earbuds themselves are oval-shaped with in-ear silicone tip design. What is surprising though is the build quality. Both the case as well as earbuds are very well finished and look extremely premium. The in-ear fit of these earbuds is also quite comfortable thanks to their light weight and those angled ear tips. Talking of the audio quality, well, the Oppo Enco W11 does have the tendency to exaggerate the bass a bit. This in turn does muffle up the mid frequencies in the music. However, with a good equalizer app, this can be very easily fixed. Other than this, the instrument separation is pretty decent. Also at full volume, the music does not get distorted, which is actually pretty rare in budget Bluetooth earphones. These earbuds are also IP55 water and dust resistant, so these can be a good pair of gym earbuds. Now we'll talk about two of my favorite features of the Enco W11. I'm pretty sure that you're aware of the fact that most Bluetooth earbuds, be it budget or premium, do not have volume controls on the earbuds. However, the Enco W11 is an exception. Long tapping on the right earbud increases the volume, while long tapping on the left earbud decreases the volume. Now this comes out to be really handy, and you don't have to take your phone out all the time to adjust the volume. Other controls on the Enco W11 are fairly straightforward too. Each earbud has a dedicated capacitive touch area. A single tap plays or pauses music, double tap to skip tracks, and triple tap to summon your smart assistant. The second great feature of the Enco W11 is that simultaneous binaural Bluetooth transmission. With most budget truly wireless earbuds, you generally have got one master earbud. The second earbud has to first connect with the first earbud and then it plays the music. However, this is not the case with the Enco W11 as both earbuds work simultaneously. So, you can take out either earbud from the case and it will immediately connect to your smartphone and start working. One minor problem which I have with the Enco W11 is the fact that sometimes the earbuds do not immediately turn on when you take them out from the case. They can take up to 10 seconds to turn on, but once turned on, the connectivity is quite seamless and they would immediately connect to your previously remembered Bluetooth device. Also, buying the Enco W11 for gaming is not a good idea because these earbuds do not feature a dedicated low latency mode. Call quality via the inbuilt microphone is pretty decent. It's not great, but going by the Rs 2500 price tag, it is quite acceptable. The battery life of these truly wireless earbuds is also quite impressive. You can easily get 4.5 hours of playback time on a single charge per earbud, and when combined with the case's battery, the collective playback time can go up to 20 hours, which is again quite impressive. Also, the earbuds recharge via USB-C port, which comes quite handy. So that's the Enco W11. For an affordable price of Rs 2500, these earbuds look very premium. They come full of features, especially very useful features like volume controls on the earbuds, as well as the simultaneous binaural Bluetooth transmission. The audio quality is also pretty decent. Just don't buy these earbuds for gaming. Otherwise, for casual usage, at Rs 2500, the Enco W11 are totally worth the price.